Greeting, and welcome guys. In the last video, we learned about Slider Factory Pro plugin installation. You can find the link below in the description or click on the card to view that video. In this step, we're gonna show how to create slider with layout 4 and publish the slider on the page. Log into your website, go to the Slider Factory Pro menu page, and click on the submenu page. Click on the Create button, under the Layout 4 slider banner. First, give the name of the slider, under the slider title text box. It is optional. Now, click on Add New Image Slides button, to add the image slides into the sliders. You can change slide position by using drag and drop functionality. You can add slide title, description, and SEO alt text in each slide. The final step is save the slider with default settings. Go to the Save Slider button under the slider settings. Click on Save Slider button and copy the generated slider shortcode. Go to the Pages menu page and click on the Add New to create a page. Give a title for the newly created page. Add the copied shortcode into shortcode block and publish the page. Click on View Page button to see the preview of the slider on the page. Our slider is ready. Work on website. You can use navigation arrows to go to the next slide or previous slide. Transition effect already applied with default settings. For more details about Layout 4 slider settings, watch the next video. Or watch Layout 4 setting video by clicking the highlighted link. Thanks for watching the Slider Factory Pro Layout 4 video documentation. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.